mwanchumo ligereli wano na gukwandira ndonsia sobereta semaragoba ya bono chinga kishini gukwarigania semesa ya mangana maya inyaro gukumanyigati yari tobereto gukwariganira kurose mambya yaringe ntambe gwika chinse chigabano chia bono maragoba litukarigaria Jumatano tariki 3 mutinyo gatatu mwaka wa 2023 na mange abereka okorekana ayo aseri wango chigo kumanya bunaba likibaito abere bako ya sangiria kuro chinkongo chonsi ime nesiko yorogongo urwa Gusii ritanganike gima tonyora mangana yo senchira yoko ya chuta
abangina abayiga muna tosangere kanta igali tokeli diogo chengera abangina sensengima abangina tobwato bokong umongina manyaga ko bomutanga nikuboka kurubolere na endo abo ibwo moya likorara ebintu buna byakongire iga obogima bwakinire bwachandira abangina
obogima nigo bokongete ntorochi kitokoga karibu n'abasubati aserisukeli International Women Day batebira abasubati kurwa sebunge yabonchari
ameanza kusumbua Moi, akasumbua Kibaki, akasema Kibaki amemwibia kura, akasumbua Uhuru Kenyatta, na sisi tumechoka na Raila Odinga.
Ababwatani ba UDA meye county ya Kisii nigo bamuchiriyo korobekana gwakora kandiri tukoria igoro kwegerera yo kabero muwaziri Matiang'i ime yo muchobosongo.
Many learners who reported to junior high school are not learning because there are no teachers. Can the government update the country on the number of teachers who have been deployed for junior high school?
Na kijunior secondary agendreta boroki wabali bataraso ankai balego serikali mwerobere tibu ya okunoko boli kwayo mubunge babu wino. Asayo muone yanda mange gendra kutubwati kwetera nsemelia ye mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na wega nsemelia YouTube na bwatona buna Ndizi TV News ulitokubwatira nere kwetera somu na wimanyiri yagakoro kwa Joshua Auta elitera ninchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igoto kuchake mesa ya mangana Amayia aigase county ya Kisii ya keombeke mo kiabasa kemanyekanete buna 254 comrades mentorship abo ime asorgongoro Gusii kon kubatirani abwatani au korwa sorgongoro Nyanza ni kubombera na ime yo muchobo songo elikonyara ko tuara mangana yengencho ana alengeta basa kolengana ne keombeke gia 254 comrades mentorship abo ni kubono kiaga niyo murai wense na bugana serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwa ne kibuna komuleka wale amangana alengeta basae aigasense ya Kenya nigo chinga kichibono bakwanira mangana alengeta basae asichi university na bagasi skuru chyo obobundi omuliketo ndemo Stevena na roboti rwa senchira yobekirano.
Comrades power. Power. Comrades power. Power. And today we have gathered here from all the universities within Nyanza region, all the colleges, the TVETs and the Polytechnic to speak about the 254 hub comradeship that is supposed to be giving students mentorship and scholarship to ensure that at least we better the living standards of the youth in this particular country. That is why various students from various institutions across Nyanza region are here to get what best it really needs to take to help in the registration and mobilization of the youth.
And our interest is to empower the skills of all comrades, TVET comrades, and even the students at universities.
Abwongati ababwatani bekiombe kia 254 Comrades Mentorship Hub abo batwarege ikarovene nabara ikorwa gati echi university nechi skuru chobo bundi ime Nyanza ase basanga igoro ya mangana alengeta basae.
With this initiative of 254 Comrades Mentorship Hub, it offers trainings that we saw it wise to elaborate to other youths and the people in our various counties, because it offers trainings on matters of mental issues, because we understand as youths they face several issues in their life like low life expectancy, they face issues like suicide and how to manage their education system. It offers other trainings on matters of sports and talent, because we realize that all of us were not talented on matters of education. So 254 Comrades Hub, it empowers on matters of sports in various capabilities. And another part, it also offers trainings on matters of leadership, because we understand as youths, many youths are interested in matters of leadership and managing other sectors. So 254 mentorship, it gives a chance to all youths to ensure that at least they make a step in all they need in every category. Thank you. We all know that the country as youths are more than any other human beings, and therefore there are talents, and these talents can be nurtured through the 254 comrades hubs. Finally, we have also to bring this to the attention of the whole country that there are also other talents that need to be exploited.
Ukobolia kwabo ngo cia serikali gociremero berie barenge tabasai eligo kianania gatie mechando bagwetera.
With this initiative, we ensure that at least we make a step, because the government cannot make a step to ensure that these issues are addressed unless we as youths we make a bold step to ensure that we address the issues to the government. Because as we do like this, there's at least we are facing some issues that need to be addressed. That's why with the support of other representatives from various counties, we ensure that these issues that we talked about are being catered at some point.
Lale lale vijana msilale, bado mapambano mapambano mapambano, bado mapambano mapambano mapambano, bado mapambano.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwa ensemo ya Bosongo erietariane Ndemo Steven.
Omulikito Ndemo Steven asoroboti rwa senchura yobo ikirano gotigana yobo no tomulekereri tukori yalengeri nene lya seri tukeriga abwasaba sobati banyara abakonyerwa International Women's Day eno lya chengerwa ase chinse chionsi asa yobo no ni go first lady Rejo Ruto aumerana nabasiba kurwa sechela ya langata abwasa chengana borobo asokonyereri tukeriga basiba boyo kuranse ini go banyara korwa ali babere bagoetera ekero bagokera asogo chengera asobwa moli tukeri Rejo Ruto gukwana kurwa sensemo ya langata asechera y'abasubati ni gate abuna ekero bagochengereri tukeri abasubati na bengenjo nabayigo babe bakonyorwa.
Speak the lessons that we are learning here, that the day the Lord enables us to leave these gates, we can be different people and we can transform our communities even as we go back to the communities. And I believe that that day is coming. I want to encourage you never to lose hope. We need to be resilient, like our senator has told us. Never look down, never give up, never cry inside that blanket, thinking that life, will not add up to anything. I just want to promise you, I have met your sisters that did cross-stitch and they walked out of this gate one day. I want to say that someday you'll get out of this gate because the prison people have done a good job. So I wish to thank all the stakeholders who have actually participated to make today's event a success. Langata Women Prison Community for your dedication to this partnership. KCB Group, FIDA, who have provided legal clinics, and AAR for the medical consultation services.
Na boigo kra yuagenrete kiombe kemo kemanya kanete buna Women Christian Association ni gobono bagenra kuro bokonyi waboli tukeliga anasoko nyara go chengereri tukolia basubati International Women's Day ekiombe kiboigo ni gekero bokonyi bwabo asensemo ye county ya Kisii ekeroba chengeri tukolia sobwamo na kote buna bagenre gosira anu mwana munyaroka no mungina asenchere yokonyara wikirania eganga yaye yokorwa obokonyi no naboni gomulikito ivarinyo sero aikirane nseme yona gotwariganiryo roboti rokubwatia.
Ekeombe kia Young Women Christian Association korwase county ya Kisii ni gobeso kia gochengera litukoria basubati ensenkima asekerenga kiabo kirego semia bangina na bana banyaroka anena semechando au bawetera.
Nganga yitenene neyo empower abana basubati abaiseke abana beskuru abakungu bare chibuobo abana bali babeira twaro boltobatigire chiskuru twaba empower.
Mbaikirana asensemo ya kegati awasiba umirana negati ya basubati ase kanisa ye katoliki ya kegati asiba igo barua bokonyi bwebitamba byo bochenu asabana baiskebe skuru yo boroso ya esamba.
Ndubwate parts igaiga tokoirera abana esamba ne skuru ya mere igaiga kegati toko bairera egere tunyara ko batoko babeke skuru twanyorere nga parts yechi na chichiko era abana bange batige skuru banyoro boso sinekere yanga ya muamire onyara omwana osumukobera no skuru osonga inunaba abambuka amatebinga nabongo kugolera epadre rero goseneite yagera umwana esinginje chisingi 80 umwana nyorobo
nega tambokero kiagokerwa na baorokiwa na boiga baorokia asoyo mubwa bali mwangania byombe au kwesokia na kurogosira
aseri tukoria rero nagokira sabageni barure YWCA. Tumewashukuru sana.
ase chiskuru muna tore ganto bwate challenges ase chinyaruka chaitu igobana goto gosabanga abantu betokeze batoe support abaibori baito konya abana abaito chinyaruka ase engencho tokonyora challenges especially akero omwari bomotienya abana babaenderete wetere ase amatuka yari bakera barachinga kichiabo
mbakwanere mechando ao eyo bagwetera ase kyombekyo
challenge ntanga ni meliere nga mostly abantu bagoswa kyombeke banze babwate perception like nga ntoni mari abantu bari married. Most of them bare under this organization are people who are married, and also challenge tokonyara under this organization like in namangani
buna nonya na boigo ekyombeke yakonyira basubati abange aso kwegendereria.
It is one of the oldest women organization in Kenya. Tuwabire tokokora mata abange tuwakorera bakibyumba abangira bakwe kuchibesa tuwakorera ntubwate bakisukuru ere Nyamira eko abana amasomo afuri usare subsidize gasi chibesa chinke bakorwa sine chindagira cyo tuwe binde bya bakungu bayite bakire mundu
nesegeto yarwewa asaba sipati goso ase kyombekyo eriyo kogenderera gusirana asama tukaribusyo
abangira bari school yenje kindanya ariko bateri babe like they're most welcome to our organization. Bako join eri ndetonyare ko fight this violence against women.
Okugania kwabo go cyase serikali na kuoko
amukoli ngone government ekolera nyaregera disese chitokororo egera tonyora asitokuira bakungu ababanyarire ko bagodulumiwa egere banyona barabasi bakurema na abana babanyaruka bagosaru batama banyora ase bakunyara bakokonyeka baganyirita ase next step chinde chigo chiko bakoya
bakora aso wakambia asaba bwatani bonsi bari barweto gosira ase batatiga magega egetaseni kya Ndizi TV
ndagete gwakira abantu bonsi bari batokonyete ko raise pads tuchakire members ba WCA kubakira mbya mono Davis and Shirtleaves kampuni ere busongali koko bakira mbya mono Ndizi TV asogocha gutokavere event yeiga twanyarire ko abana babesamba primary chinyaroke chicha grade 6 7 na 8
ringana rimwamu ryeritko rya rero nigo ryarenke Digital Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality asibagania komanyana ki obotumekiwe chinchera chiekerero anene bwakonyire abasibati
kumanyanga na technology yatokonyire muna itoba wachi gender equality
ngoripoterega seni kya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero
Yamuno murikite Evelyn Osero sorobotira sencheri yoboikirano kurwa sensemo ya Kigatime ye county ya Kisii gotingana yubono tumurekere asechera y'abasibwa yo gutoka aigase county ya Kisii una Kisii prison ni go abasibwa litukulira wego bachenga litukeliriye International Women's Day eyo yakolekana senseme yagati ali bakirana somo yigo yokolekana asechere yo ingamo na kwamboka Simba First Lady aigase county ya Kisii gana bamangana arengekero murike tumidde mumanyi agendere to gutwaliganiriye horobote rukulinda mangana barenge gachinsa cyamugaso Monchumurigiri bono na bamangana renge gasa chereri y'abasibwa Kisii prison muri kito mirde mumanyi nagande to gotwariganira roboti ruchiko ragachinze seto naronyora senchera ayoboyi kiranu Na po igongo tikana seri tukeli nalya basubati International Women's Day ni gabasubati kurwa sebunge ya bonchari batebire mu namba bwate kibagwego keri ya seri tukulia rero ko bwate kana buna niko bagendete gutakuno na uchumi ogokina kwa magori y'ebintu mbiri ko bamurembe anasobo koribwa bo muri Keto Brighton Makori na roboti rwa senchera yoboime
Chitariki isano nesato okira omotienyo gatatu kiro mwaka ni gwabasubati na barabu bakonyora libagalia bene gojengera litukuliabo kurende ase county ya Kisii nigo ensemo yabasubati banyarire baweso kena batabuna akendengeyo bakwegokeria
abangina abayiga muna tosangere kanta iga litukeli lyogo chengera abangina sensengima abangina ntobwata obokong abangina kiregento ni ntukeligerereti omongi na manyaga akobo mutanga ni kuboka kurubolere na endo abo ibwo moya likorara ebintu buna byakongire iga obogima bwakinire bwachandira abangina
asili tukelie tware gochengera lakini toroche uchumi na verense
nigo bono banyarire bakuburia serikali
tware kuboria omurayo itobwense anyare gotoiranerie obogima insake egere nonye no muntu orio inseke gima oria are goteba ng'asara egera nyare konyonera obugime gokerie omongi nago chikorigie ndagira abana bakoriteyo esukuru fees teyo nabagaka ngosira bari na barabunto bakorota chomono lakini emechando ne yabanyina
wona se obugento kia tokongeira iga ndoche kia tusinyire oburemi nabo tuburemete buya wona ubuyo bwatuburire amaye no murai na totebe tingo toretera rubuyo taratoretera turoche nabo turanyorwe ariko bomura omurai ariko korabiya atokonye ubuyo nabaminto mbaganyete ntogenderete koremereri kubanyira
tware kuboria abangina barengererigwe munate banga koyiria ari gasi pakike siringi 500 tangainereria
boigoni go banyarire bakuboria
kuna rero tware gochengera litukerire ito Women's Day ntobwate challenges buna abasubati okonyora nene monekero omusubati kwa rwarire kwachire nyagitari bagaka baito mbali gotwa support eyuere bobe abagaka baito none kerekero abasubati twaikire ngakiria ito yoko ibura twachire nyagitari bagaka baito mbali kobera nge bagochibe bana abanyagitari bali abasacha bagotogushugulikera barabumba liko twara confidence isaine bagochi batobeli siasa nyagitari
asenzemo yegisegi
amagoso ngutokari chinyumba mbali mbali lakini natakire mwaikange mwatebererani amangana inu mwayakorera takona kogenda busio
nari kuburinga abantu tiga baikaransa amo asama gosa sama mochabeire abantu banyara kukwanira na amo
boigo abasae bali basoira senywomo
vice nari korugochi aseke gorie kegeke chinyumba cheito amaene ase chinyumba ntobwate challenges chinge intubuneke gorie kegeke muna intutonyomire buna basubati abakaba igarende tokoro kwabo umuobo lakini rende egochiye ikerana ekero togo difa nyumba no musubati no musacha ntoli gochitumbira ntoli gochitwa twa ikirekerengo kerigyo gukwanira na twaigwanana kero omonto agochio twara akwerana aro monene kubwoyo ndi gobona ari gusabana twari goikaransanse buno family tukwane buno family egente kingocha gotokonya kiari ngintu buna youths yababono igatwa ebigori ebyo biketwa nyumo
asabasaja bali babwatembwa ayogotajira abana banyaroka inse nigo bono banyarire bakwegwa obosembe
abasaja abo bagukurura abana bake barabumba bwenereta babikiruri ichiko likongo ekogera osaliri omwana obande nande osaliri omwana bono uyo koiraniri magega nira bekiruri ichiko likongo abantu tigaba banyora onyo no muntu otageto musubati tiganyora omuntu isanire akonyoma akomenya nere
boiga basubati abani go banyarire bakwanira embwa yabasubati kobeka chianga chitari chindonge
egento kiato chandire gaiga uneka gorie eke kiato sumbuira abana bakwebaya okwebaya gotabwenereti nonya banchire chirongi chiosi ato sumbuira mwana gochobe ore rongi ekoberenke yari ekera ko bobeka Eyemo nasite yakibare gwanje nyo chimbate tokobeka chirongi tebabeke rongi engare omwana monta koroka nabegete rongi
nguripotiri getaseni Ndizi TV eletariane Brighton Makori
Biamono omurikito Brighton makori asoro boti rwa century yobo ikirano monchu murigiro bono boti rogoto ira seri bodi ile tukolia rero buna gati yobo kori anene ase enka omosacha no mukungo baraba ikirano yobo kori yobonge asenka gati yomosacha gosomo kungu asenka ningo kurobo kori gwekerengo kegoro ekero gochengera litukeliga tomali chibuliao gotera semelie mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ninchikoligerelia enkwana ya ekero togendrete no roboti rweli tuko liale rogotigana yubono umwanchu muligere tomurekere chinse muchinde gotigara imeye county ya Kisii bege karekere umurayibwense William Samuel Ruto agendre tokorobelie sabali yaye asorgongo rwa Gusii ni ogati ya bwatani kurwa seki ya makirikia ODM na Kenya kwanza sobwamo imeye county ya Kisii bono bamuchiri korobekana gwakole kanjiri tukurigoro anemaiga yokobe kubyera ko yokabiro muwaziri bobo ndeme Dr. Fred Matiang'i niko korobekana gotindi gwakole kanete asekolende bono UDA ya mochiri okorobekano ku na nene komochia omurai weke make ODM rera Morodingo mulikito Josephat Amisi na roboti rwa senchera yoboime
Chingaki omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto akageire gutarira orogongo rwa Gusii igam bono nigo abobotani bae anene kurwa ase kompekelikia jeshi la Ruto Kisii chapter beso kila kumwariania asenchera yabene.
First we want to welcome His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samuel Ruto, who is expected to be in the region towards the end of the month. And we want to give confirmation that the Kisii Hustlers Nation is very ready and they are welcoming him anytime whenever he feels to come to launch development projects, and specifically for the homecoming of our CS Honorable Ezekiel Machogu.
Yangu ningaenda kuambia our President Dr. William Samoei Ruto ya kwamba tumemkaribisha kwa hali na gamu katika eneo letu ya Kisii wakati wowote kuanzia sasa.
Nonyina babo bwatani abo niko bamuboliro murayi bwense anyareko bako enekia nganene bali banyarete ko bakwiruna kumurigira chikora chinga kecho banyareko bako ebo bitali au serikali yae.
Na tunasema ya kwamba President wetu Dr. William Samoei Ruto atukumbuke sisi wale wadogo tulimchapia kazi tukachapa kazi lakini hatukupata mtu wa kutukumbuka. Tukalima shamba tukapanda lakini watu wakafuna ni wale wako na nguvu kutuliko.
Lakini pia usisahau ya kwamba kuna wale hustlers, wale vijana ambao wakati ulikuwa unakataliwa Kisii, wakati walikuwa wanasema Kisii wezi ingia, kuna wale vijana ambao waliukaribisha Kisii. Wale vijana ambao walikula tear gas kwa niaba yako. Wale vijana ambao risasi ilikuwa inatupwa, tunashangaa tunaingia shimo gani? Kwa sababu gani? Tulikuwa tunataka wewe kuwe rais, ukuje utetee vijana kama sisi, utetee hustlers kama sisi. Tafadhali rais, wakati unapanga watu, pia hapa hivi chini panga hustlers hawa ndawaingiza hapa chini, wale vijana wangu wa Kisii walikuwa wanatia gasi, niingize mahali pale hapo chini.
Abo batani abo bigo baruto nigo bagi keire okorobekana kwarokana te mu kibusongo litukoigoro asigo babulire aba Kenya na Gusii banyara ko bakwena na serikali libagalise ine libulingo libabene bugende ko bokorerwa anane kabiri umwaziri mu bulindi bwime Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
I want first to condemn what went around yesterday in regard to the invitation of former CS Interior, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, where a section of hooligans went to the streets in Kisii to protest illegally and constitutionally because Matiang'i was invited to EACC. As the law provides, any other Kenyan that those graft and crime fighting agencies realize or feel that they should go and make a statement, any other Kenyan will always proceed to this year and make a statement.
Abo batani abo niko bakwana litukulero asmabugani oyomo imwe mu kibusongo asibigo bagikiri abo mu bwazimio kupatikana korobekana uko omara yoba Raila Odinga agenda to bakwaliganya anene imense ya Kenya.
They are not in the right position to articulate and champion for the electoral justice, and therefore we demand for their immediate apology to Kenyans.
Ameanza kusumbua Moi, akasumbua Kibaki, akasema Kibaki amemwibia kura, akasumbua Uhuru Kenyatta, Na sisi tumechoka na Raila Odinga.
Kuripoti televisheni ya Ndizi TV kule kaunti ya Kisii, Eliparana Josephat Hamisi.
Tumulika onankuma yuge bire yana byabere byo kubutoka na manga twa kwaliganeti bono kurwa sensemeri ebeno Steve kana bwato moye gana boigono county ya Nyamira nyiro kuli kwa abasa sensemeri ya ensemo yokolenda manani no kolekana Nyamira ne county ya Kisii onsi ya yuchi kor gaisa to chabu tuko mwancho murigelia oroboti uruku na job na demo Steven boigondo chiko kumanya ekero chera graisa to chabu tuko ikirabo nongo akero musmali amangana majia senchera yobo ikero mwato majuma chino ninjiko chirigelia ekero no chera graisa to chiabono botukuri tore kubwateranira gwetera somono bwimenyerije gakuruko Auta ekero Petro nira mukira ne kitibi chamune gece gwekera senchera yobo ikero ntomana nisasa chiri boti chinde reterana